Hello kids, welcome to Kiddos TV. Today we are going to learn the numbers. We will be tracing from 1 to 20. Let us get started. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. This is 11. This is 12. This is 13. This is 14. This is 15. This is 16. This is 17. This is 18. This is 19. This is 20. We will read all these numbers one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Thank you kids for coloring all these numbers with me. I hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.